In this video, I'm going to share with you why I quit blogging and started a SaaS agency instead, and why you should think through it too, instead of working on your failing blog that generates no revenue. Or most probably not start a new one if you're thinking of starting one. I know how frustrating it can be when you give your all and not get the result that you wanted after listening to and implementing all the things you've been learning online. And that's why I came up with this video. My name is Siram, and I've been blogging for 4 years now and quit it 7 months ago. And after that I started my SaaS agency, and which is the best thing I've done ever since I started online. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether you should quit it too, or at least approach blogging as a business in another way so that all your efforts don't go to waste and you get the earnings that you deserve for your hard work. The thing with blogging is that it drives traffic according to your post ranking, which means if your post doesn't take the top spot or at least appear in the first page of the search result, you won't be getting any traffic at all. And it has become harder than ever to post your rank these days. No matter how much you learn SEO and all those other tips, you can't just compete with the big guys at the top spot. Of course, you can choose less competitive niche, which allows you to rank certain keywords. But will those keywords make you any money? No. And that's why they are easier to rank, and you will be wasting your time writing for pennies. So I started focusing on YouTube and other social media channels, not just to create an audience or to generate likes on my post, but to actually promote my product and sell them. And I'll talk about how I created my product and how you can too in a while. Now the second reason why I quit blogging is it takes longer than any other business model to monetize, and it's actually correlated to your ranking. If you're not ranking, you're not making any money, whether it's ad revenue, affiliate sales, or any other things you are offering on your blog to make money. And even if you manage to rank some fine money keywords, conversion for affiliate sales and even products are not so high in written contents, especially if your copy is not well optimized. And I think it's not everyone's cup of tea. Alright, now even if you manage to rank some articles, just like I did with mine, a Google algorithm updates come and crushes my articles to the floor. And this isn't just happening with me. There are many bloggers, niche site owners I follow who are more knowledgeable and most probably better writer than me, had their websites crushed with the Google algorithm updates. And I've seen them too leaving blogging for good. And by the way, most of them are making money off coaching and courses they are selling rather than actually making money from their blog. And finally, as if all this wasn't enough, to be honest, with the advent of AI and Google and Bing working on their own AI models, I'm not so sure if blogging will be around in the coming years. Of course, search will be there, but not anyway now it is. So I decided, why not make money off search from the clients who wants their business to be found on the Google in the search results. And that's where the business model I started comes in. I offer services to local businesses who either doesn't know how to add themselves to be found on Google or who doesn't have the time to work on it. And I sell them my SaaS software along with my services. And the fact is that I didn't even create the software that I'm selling. It's a white label version of GoHighLevel. You can learn more about the business model and the software in this video. The link is up here. And I also have a free training that can help you understand this business and get started with it and get to your first few clients within days. And you can find the link to the training in the description below. Alright, now the final conclusion and the thing that I learned is you can still write blog, and you don't have to quit it altogether if you like to write blogs. The only thing is that blog shouldn't be your whole business. It should just be a part of it. Using blog as a part of your marketing plan makes better sense. For example, if you already have a product or a service that you're selling, you can use blogging as one of your marketing channels. Anyways, I think a simple funnel with automations and a great offer can bring you more money in a year than blogging. That's my take. And finally, I want to remind you again that you can find the free training in the description below, which will help you with the quick actionable steps that you can take to start your SaaS agency business and get to your first few clients. And if you'd like to learn more about the business model, check out the next video.